best natural antibiotic. It cuts through coughs like a knife with just 3 ingredients. For this remedy, we'll need 2 small onions, which we'll chop into small pieces. Onion can help soothe cough symptoms, relieving nasal congestion, dry cough, and inflammation. We'll also need 4 cloves of garlic, which we'll chop into small pieces. We'll add the onion and garlic to a glass jar with a lid. Then we'll add approximately 5 tablespoons of honey and mix well to incorporate these ingredients. Then we'll cover and let it macerate overnight in a dark, cool place. The next day, strain well, and our remedy is ready to be consumed. 1 teaspoon for children and 1 tablespoon for adults can be consumed in the morning and at night. Can you store it in the refrigerator? Its shelf life is 1 week. We are Natural SP Food. Thank you.